Ram has been quietly building tension around the return of the TRX, and now the picture is finally coming into focus. Since the debut of the Ram 1500 RHO last year, the brand has made it clear that the TRX was never truly gone, just waiting for the right moment. That moment may be almost here. A new teaser video posted by Ram does not show a truck, but it does not need to. The sound tells the whole story. It opens with what captions identify as a sonic boom, followed by the unmistakable growl of an accelerating engine. The audio feels heavy, mechanical, and purposeful. As the sound builds, there is a tone that strongly suggests a supercharger feeding a V8 engine, blending into rushing wind as if the truck is charging across open terrain. Visually, the teaser keeps things mysterious. There is sand, possibly a desert dune, and nothing else to distract from the message. The video ends with the words, "Power will be reborn," and a date, January 1, 2026. Ram does not spell out what is coming, but the meaning feels obvious. This lines up closely with what Stellantis leadership has already hinted at. During the company's second quarter earnings call, Chief Executive Officer Antonio Filosa openly referenced the Ram 1500 TRX, explaining that V8-powered variants deliver both strong volume and strong margins. While he stopped short of confirming a launch date, reports suggest the truck could reach dealerships as early as January 2026. Ram has also been careful with its messaging. When the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO was introduced, the company went out of its way to say it was not a replacement for the TRX. Executives stressed that when the brand talked about those three letters again, it would come with proper positioning. This teaser feels like that moment. The last TRX set a high bar. Its supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat V8 produced 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, instantly turning the truck into a benchmark for off-road performance pickups. Bringing something like that back on a new architecture was never going to be simple. Earlier this year, Ram confirmed the return of the Hemi V8 to the 1500 lineup, and that decision came with an interesting detail. Brand Chief Executive Officer Tim Kuniskis revealed that former street and racing technology chief engineer Daryl Smith was brought in to make it happen. What was expected to take 18 months was completed in just 6 months. Kuniskis downplayed the significance, but his words left plenty of room for interpretation, especially considering Smith's history with high-performance Ram trucks. All signs now point in the same direction. Ram is not just reviving the TRX name, it appears ready to re-establish it as the brand's ultimate expression of power, sound, and attitude. If the teaser is any indication, January 1st is going to be loud.